Soldiers from the 1st Armored Division and Australian civilian contractors are conducting maintenance on a US M1A2 Abrams tank at Lavarack Barracks in Townsville, Australia.
So for this tank, Charlie 2-4, we are working on replacing the track, the road wheels, and the suspension system to allow it to be put back on the vessel for onward movement after exercise Talisman Sabre.
So one of the good things about the partnership with our Australian allies is the fact that they have a similar platform that we do, and there's a lot of interchangeable parts that they have that we can use on our platform. And given that we didn't have a lot of the parts necessary, we're able to use some of those interchangeable parts to help facilitate the repair of the tank that was damaged during transport.
The tank was damaged during transport to the training area prior to exercise Talisman Sabre, and the Combined Joint Theater Logistics Support Component identified the repair of the tank as another opportunity to leverage the interoperability between the US and Australia.
I think the combined effort to repair the tank, or to do some repairs on the tank, is really reflective of what we've been doing here right throughout, in the lead up and right throughout Exercise Talisman Sabre 23, and it is about really increasing our understanding of how we can partner with the US here in Australia for us to be able to do a mission like this, should we have to in the near future, how we operate and what our roles are, and where there's interoperability and where there's challenges to that interoperability that we need to be working on. And it just has added another dimension to that, I guess, to what was already planned as part of the exercise.